MailerLite's automation feature allows you to create personalized email workflows based on subscriber behavior, ensuring timely and relevant communication. Here's how to set it up. Create a workflow. Log into your MailerLite account and go to the Automation tab. Click Create a new workflow and give it a descriptive name. Set the trigger. A trigger is the event that starts the workflow. Choose from options like when a subscriber joins a group, clicks a link, or fills out the form. For example, select when a subscriber joins a group if you want to send a welcome email when someone subscribes. Add actions. After the trigger, add actions such as sending an email, waiting for a period, or performing an additional action like tagging or moving to another group. Use the drag and drop editor to design your emails or select pre-made templates. Conditions and logic. You can add conditional paths to the workflow, allowing you to create branches based on subscriber behavior. Test and activate. After setting up the automation, test it to ensure everything works smoothly. Once satisfied, activate the workflow.